So MrBeast has a whole meal, but today we are focusing on the Beast Burger. I happen to live at least a 15-hour flight to the nearest collection point. So let's picture this. It's basically a bun with various toppings, 2 thinly seared patties, and cheese on each patty. And a second bun topped with various sauces, and voila. Let's make it or screw it. Weigh out 150 grams of minced beef and shape into balls. At this point you might have some insecurities because of what happened last time, but no, she's not coming for them. Wrap them in cling film and odd, that looks like it. Throw them into the fridge for 15 minutes and let them firm up. When you give them a sear, you want that meat juice to stick around, and it's scientifically proven by Sir, it doesn't really matter, that this is the best way to achieve this. It's been 15 minutes. Get a skillet really hot, and when I say hot, I mean hot enough to feel the heat in my face. Well, that might be extreme for my pan, but get your cast iron pan piping hot and lube it with just a touch of sunflower oil. Then place in one of your balls onto the hot pan. Kids, you don't want to do that. 3rd-degree buns is not the look you're going for. Spread out the beef to a thin paper-like structure using a trusty non-slotted spatula. I'm not too confident with the size of my surface, so I'm gonna do one patty at a time. Kiss it with just a little bit of salt and pepper and count 15 Mississippis. Then flip and place 2 slices of American cheese and cover to get it all melty. This is where you scoop it out and let it rest as you prep patty number 2. Ball, press, season, flip, cheese, melty, meditate, and voila. Now for the assembly. Grab your homemade brioche bun that decided to get a turn while at it, but cooked to perfection. Slice it by its thorax. At this point you can drop a tear or 2 for your perfect creation. I won't judge cause I did. Mayo on the bottom bun, diced onion, 4 of Sam's glorious pickles. That recipe is actually up here. I know you're awesome and you slapped that thing like Flo slapped my. Zip your Sam's pickles tightly and store them where you usually store your Sam's pickles. Spread ketchup and brown mustard onto the top bun. Patty number 1 and 2. And finally, crown your king. I mean beast. Look at her. She's as pretty as a Friday morning that falls on a holiday. Oh. Quickly wrap her in foil as she's still steamy. This helps nail the feel of a warm, extra thick but soft bun. And of course, you can't resist such a feel in your mouth. Give it that gorilla grip. Then slap it with a MrBeast Burger badge cause well, it comes with a MrBeast Burger badge. I hope we don't get sued, but Jimmy, if you see this, please don't sue me. Now for the cross section. Now that is prettier than Flo's mustache. So let's taste it, shall we? I don't know how the MrBeast burger tastes like, but deep down I hope it tastes like this. If you enjoyed this video or just love the sight of food, drop a fat like and subscribe. If you happen to make this, which you should definitely make, tag me on Instagram and see you on the next one. Peace.